Welcome back to our channel, where we're about to dive into a delectable dish of financial insights all about Texas Roadhouse. From juicy ratios to mouth-watering growth, we've got it all simmering in today's 4-minute feast of knowledge. Let's start by uncovering the PR, a key ingredient in our financial recipe. Over the past year, Texas Roadhouse has a PR of 25.15. Looking back at the last 5 years, the average is around 26.58. For the future, the forward PR stands at 20.01, suggesting exciting potential growth ahead and a possibility of undervaluation. Think of the PG ratio as the seasoning that adds a unique flavor to our financial dish. At 1.36, Texas Roadhouse's PG ratio balances growth and valuation beautifully, showing that there's room for growth without getting too expensive. Let's savor the return on equity and return on assets. A mouth-watering ROE of 28.2% reveals how effectively the company uses shareholders' money, while a savory ROA of 11.8% showcases its efficiency in utilizing its assets to generate profits. Sink your teeth into the earnings per share, a sumptuous $4.33 for Texas Roadhouse. This tells us how much profit each share holds, like savoring each bite of a perfectly cooked steak. Picture marinating your favorite cut of meat for maximum flavor. That's what the projected EPS growth of 18.5% over the next 5 years represents. Texas Roadhouse is gearing up for some flavorful growth ahead. For our income-seeking investors, Texas Roadhouse serves up a generous dividend yield of 2.02%. And the cherry on top? A remarkable 17.88% dividend growth over the past decade, like the perfect sauce drizzled over your investment plate. It is necessary to mention that during 2020 the company momentarily stopped paying dividends due to the harsh conditions caused by the 2020 crisis. Despite this, in 2021 they continued to pay even higher dividends. Impressive, right? Let's talk about the margins, the secret sauce of financial success. With an operating margin of 7.8% and a profit margin of 6.7%, Texas Roadhouse is cooking up efficient profits from its revenue. Imagine a restaurant that consistently draws in more customers year after year. Texas Roadhouse's revenue has been on a remarkable upward trend, especially gaining steam since 2020. This growth story is equally matched by their earnings, creating a perfect harmony. Just like a simmering pot, Texas Roadhouse's free cash flow has been steady and consistent, often aligning with earnings. This financial stability resembles the steady flame under a perfectly grilled steak. Texas Roadhouse is serving up financial health with a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.00. This clean slate reflects their solid foundation. The last 52 weeks have been a party of returns, with a juicy mid-price return of 17.2% outperforming the S&P 500. With a market capitalization of $7.26 billion, Texas Roadhouse is not a heavyweight player. But if it continues to grow like it is now, it will soon be considered one of the giants in its sector. Analysts predict the stock price to rise by 11.53% to $121.30 from the current $108.76. Our analysis suggests a fair value of $115.36, hinting at a delectable undervaluation too. As we wrap up our financial feast on Texas Roadhouse, it's clear that this company has cooked up a recipe for success that's hard to resist. From savory ratios to juicy growth, every ingredient is carefully measured for a flavorful investment journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial feasts that will leave you craving for knowledge and profits. Until next time.